Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. I put together this HobbyPCB Hard Rock 50 Plus amp. It's got a lot of functions. It works with my 705, but I've had trouble with the screen and I have to take it apart and fix it. Taking the case apart reminds me of when I built it. It's a nice little kit. Got a built-in tuner. Works seamlessly with the 705. We're going to get this screen off here, and then we can start desoldering the screen with the desoldering tool that I found on Amazon. Taking it apart reminds me when I built the kit in the first place. It's a nice little kit. You'd enjoy it. Here's the screen, and it's several pins that I'm going to have to desolder. So I'm going to start by taking the screen off the front plate. Disassembly is as easy as assembly. There's the broken screen. First, we have to take off a few standoffs. There are the pins that I'm gonna have to desolder. Let's peek through the bag of the new screen, and yes, the screen's matte. I've never done much desoldering, but this is pretty simple operation. Plug it in, it heats up automatically. Press the button, and it sucks the solder out of the hole and off the component. Pretty simple operation. I'll give it a little wiggle. It's not completely desoldered, so we're going to have to go back, give it one more pass with the desoldering tool. Now that seems to have done the trick, and off comes the old screen. And you can see it does a pretty good job of getting that solder off there. All the through holes on the PC board are clean. Check and see if the new screen goes into the holes, and it does. So I'm going to put those standoffs back on the board and refit those standoffs so that I can begin soldering the new screen back to the PCB board. We'll start putting it back together so that I can get it tested out and see if the new screen works. If you remember, I built a power supply. It's a 48 volt power supply. I haven't put the switch on it yet. I use these GFX connectors, 4-pin for the power. No, they're not military. One for the power supply, one for the amp. Let's turn it on. It's going through its boot process. Looks like it works. Thanks for stopping by.